Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on a 2010 Toyota RAV4. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like for more videos. Today we have a maintenance required light that stays on the dash. There we go. Gotta zoom in here. So you turn on your vehicle. And one light is left. That is the maintenance required light. The way you fix this issue is you turn your vehicle off. There's a little black lever here. You push that down till you get to trip A. There it is. There's trip B, and there's the normal setting. So trip A, turn your vehicle off, hold down your button here prior to turning your key. Now you turn your key. Lines are flashing. When you get all zeros, you're good to go. Turn your vehicle back on and your maintenance required light should stay off. That is mainly because it's letting you know that you're ready for an oil change. So just an FYI, you may want to get your oil change. And there we go. Maintenance required light is off. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe. Thanks for watching.